Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, the 6th day of August 2025. The information I'm about to pass to you is very important. And at the same time, I do not want to violate, YouTube community guidelines and policies. Because most of my videos are sensitive. They has to do with life. They has to do with, insecurity and all those wahala. So part of this video, I'm going to use pidgin English, in some parts so that you will understand what I'm saying and also at the same time, not violating the YouTube community guideline. So when I want to talk for this video, be say, from 2024 April, 2024 April till today, when be August 2025, that is about a year and some months now, a year and 4 months or thereabout. About 10 Pekin, 10 children. 9, all these people when then they call the bandits, don't carry, give their dog, make their dog chop. You see, this issue is very broad and I want to take it to another dimension. Most of these people are always newly born children, picking when they born newly. Now these people they carry, they go, they give their dog, make their dog they chop. One happened in Delta State last year. We recorded it. That one was, twins. Another one happened in Yobe. This is the second time now it is happening in Katsina. And the second time is recording 4 people. Okay. This time around is also 2 children. These things happening has a very bad penalty. It has a repercussion. I'm a kind of person that don't believe in generational curse and all those things. I don't believe it. But you see, in a place, in a nation, in a community, in a state, in a territory, where the innocent, I'm talking about newly born children will never know anything, their body, then they use and they feed, dogs. I'm not sure say things go well for that place at all. I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but I am still sad. I'm still thinking about this. Consequences go there. Consequences go, the problem go there. Big problem go there. Men are not think all this when they happen. Then go they carry children, they give dog anyhow. Men are not think say nah just for free. Consequences there. We know they talk about people when they sleep, children when on anything when they don't born. We know they talk about people when they kill every day. This one now, it did my concern well because say na children. You know go hear this thing for all this news media. Government no go talk all this thing. You not consign anybody. These children, maybe they're supposed to be American president tomorrow. They're supposed to be a president of any nation tomorrow. They're supposed to become a footballer tomorrow. Imagine how many books maybe these children go write, inventions when these children go bring go. It don't go be say it don't go. They don't terminate their life. They never see words. If we talk, they say we don't like Nigeria and I make us they talk. But may it happen to you, may you feel the pain when these people they feel. You will say, God forbid. Then how come they talk about all these things? You go forbid, may it not go happen to you, but you think say God, no, they forbid that may it not happen to other people. It don't make sense. It don't make sense at all. See, problem go there. Very big problem go there. All these things no go for nothing. No go just go like that. Though. Big problem go there. Say bandits carry children, give dog, not be once, not be 2, not be 3. Hungry man kill their dog, then they can't they feed. You get waiting, they let people they talk. This thing not they let me they talk. Now, it's only 2 newspapers for the whole country of over 250 million people. Now only 2 newspapers go report them. Nobody they talk about them. How you think say this country go get ahead? How you think say the country go get ahead? This is a cause. This is a cause. If you don't know, let me tell you, this is a very dangerous cause. It's a very dangerous cause. So the nature will cause the environment. The nature will cause the nation. The nature will cause to the roots of the causes of all these things. Sometimes people go they turn and say, where Nigeria problem they come from. You don't know say na here they come from, Abi. You don't know say na here they come from. Listen, they bad though. Now, among the two newspapers that reported this, one is from Sahara Reporters, okay? I'm going to put the link of the article on the comment section so that you can go and read it. Even this sensitive topic, even me putting it on the screen here, this video, they might take it down. All these things are sensitive, okay? Say exclusive. Bandits can't kill 2 children. They can't throw in body, give dogs for Katsina State. The woman when born the children, he can't share the story when he can't escape from that captivity. Now waiting Sahara Reporters, they report. All right, let me just read the article briefly. It reads that with quivering lips and eyes brimming with tears, Aisha Mohammed, not her real name, a 35-year-old survivor of captivity, set under a neem tree at a safe house in one of the village in the Dôgs local government area of Katsina State. Her voice trembled as she recounted her 3-month ordeal in the forest hideout of ruthless bandits who snuffed life out of her newborn twins, feeding them to dogs. Now, wetin make bandits, wetin make these terrorist people, wetin make them carry this pikin go give dog? When he born am, they say the children say that they cry too much. They cry too much. Make no go make other people like soldiers vigilante not see them. They say the children are risk. Say they go end their problem today. Say the next thing when you see na blood. You can't see and say na children blood be that. They don't carry and give dog. You know, all these things is difficult for me to, to share. But this is not the first time I'm sharing this sad news. I could remember last year, I posted, the same thing that happened in some communities, and including bandits giving pikin to dog make a chop. The video violated the community guidelines, so that is why I'm just taking precaution about this. But this will not go down well. If I have the power to do something, I could have done it. I don't have the power to do anything about all this insecurity issue. If people still continue not to understand the situation we have in Nigeria, this thing is going to get to everybody. Because if a madman understands that he's mad, you know that the madness is about to stop. We are yet to understand that we are in siege. We are yet to understand that we are in bondage. This is a very serious thing. It is what it is. Thank you for listening to this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I will be leaving the link to the article on the comment section and see for yourself. May the souls of these children rest in peace.